For people all across the world. Thank you, Vishal, for the wonderful choreography. And to start with the question and answer round once again, contestant number 1, can I request you to step forward? And we did request Karishma. Can we start with you? Because last time, yeah, we had Mrs. Satish.
Hello. Hello. So my question to you is, what are your greatest strengths? According to you, name your greatest strengths.
My greatest strength is my family, because had they not been around, I wouldn't have been here. So my strength are my daughters and my husband. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi Manali, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
What is your favorite movie and why?
Thank you so much for this question. I'm a great movie buff, so I love watching movies. So mostly I love all movies. But in recent times, a movie which I've really enjoyed is a movie called English Winglish, because I really identify, and sometimes I see my mother in the protagonist, because she comes from a background where she doesn't know English, and then she learns it just to prove herself and to get her self-confidence. And I really appreciate that aspect about any woman. And I feel only a woman can do that. Thank you so much.
We request you to speak a few words, please.
First of all, congratulations, and you ladies are rocking, absolutely, and the confidence shows like wine in the bottle. As it grows older, it tastes better, it looks better, and of course, older the wine, the better it is. So, and it gives you a good high. So all the best to all the participants, and you keep rocking. God bless. God bless all of you.
Thanks, you. I'll see you very soon. Thank you very much. So long that I only wrote these 3 words. But would you like to tell people about yourself? Because I know you are very, very renowned in the wellness industry. Are you also at the Little Fest? Which is...
Yeah, thanks for calling me here first. Vijay, yeah. And when I came to Mumbai, I started exploring world today. I am connected with the 95 countries, and I am the Global Wellness Ambassador of India. I am responsible for celebration of Wellness Day in India. In coming 2nd of June, second Saturday of June, I am celebrating 2nd year of Wellness Day in India. And lakhs people have joined me. And I would request everyone to join me for this initiative, keeping yourself happy and keeps others happy. Thank you.
कैसे सिखाएंगे? मुझे सिखाओ, एक स्टेप सिखाओ. ऐसे one. Salsa. You know salsa also? Are you serious? Wow. Yes. Come.
पहचान ली पहले ही.
Ladies and gentlemen, this wonderful choreography and all the hard work is by Nimesh Thakkar. बहुत शुक्रिया Nimesh. And he's so caring. मुझे कब से कह रहे हैं, I don't want the children to waste. My children are waiting and they want to go, they want to leave.
First of all, ma'am, congratulations, you're getting on board.
Thank you.
Tell us about regarding this award?
This is for women empowerment basically. और आज का जो शो था organized by Saffron's Events, Prince and it is Prince Saffron India for Princes and Queen. And I think the queens rocked it. Each woman was an achiever, whether they were doctors and they were scientists over there. And it requires a lot of guts to come there. So it was really great.
Ma'am, women empowerment आपके लिए क्या मायने?
Women empowerment is basically other women should help other women. That is most empowering, because if we don't stand up for each other, women will never be empowered. So, and you have to learn to stand up for yourself and fight for what is right, and you have to prove that to the world that you are right.
ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें आप women's के लिए करना चाहते हैं?
विमेन के लिए मैं लीगल राइट्स जो होते हैं उनके, या जो लीगैलिटीज़ होती है, बहुत सारे विमेन को पता नहीं होता है, नॉट ओनली अबाउट डिवोर्स और मैरिज बट जनरल लीगल जो होता है, लीगल एडवाइस, मैं उसको कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहती हूँ उनके लिए, सो दैट दे बिकम अवेयर व्हाई लॉयर्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड हाउ दे कैन फाइट फॉर देमसेल्व्स.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
all the partners over here. Dr. Anju for her makeover for hair and skin. Then Manya sir for gifting winners a gold diamond ring. Both the winners for Miss and Mrs. Then thanks for judge, all the judges over here. Rajesh Sayalji for his place he offered for us for grooming and all. And Hina for her beautiful jewelry you must have seen today. That's an amazing jewelry she has given. And not the least, my dear friend Vishal for choreography he did for this show. And thank you, Mr. Shetty, for coming with me.
अंडरस्टैंड दैट विजय भाई का जो मेहनत था वो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा, बहुत ही अच्छा रहा, उनका ये शो रहा बहुत अच्छा रहा, and all the contestants were very beautiful and they deserve this diamond ring.
What would you say about this entire initiative which is started with special kids now?
Special, fantastic.
Then we have teenagers, we have the people who are there in the industry. For somebody is a doctor, Mrs. Something absolutely new.
That was a fabulous concept. It was a fab concept discovered by Mr. Vijay and Zenobia ji. And of
Can
course,
you tell us about your shop related date? How you
yeah,
give the services? Can you tell us about?
we are having a brand name Pavitram and Awesome, of course. These are mere manufacturers and supplying jewelry to all across the globe.
how you associate, sir? How you associated with this initiative, with this contest? How you came on board?
I know Zenobia ji very well.
Please come in, ma'am. Tell us, ma'am.
And she is the person behind everything. She is the person for everything. She is the person for
I
everything.
told him that special children are dancing. They're mentally challenged and they're special, and that's where he said, okay, I'll give 2 rings. And we are so grateful, so grateful. Thank you so much. And all the contestants everywhere, he's going to give 1 ring in Madras, in Ahmedabad, everywhere. So thank you very much.
All my pleasure.
God bless you.
I am really happy that I won it. It was a complete shock and surprise, and I have no words. I'm speechless, and I was really happy. I did not know about this contest, and I came to know 2 days ago, and I'm so happy that I participated, and I'm so happy that I won. I've got lovely grooming and lovely training sessions in this, and it's helped me in becoming a better person. And as you can see, I have become a better person today and won the pageant. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I came to know about this almost a month back, and from that time I was very nervous whether I'll be able to do it or not. So I was just practicing and doing my research. So I've really worked hard. So when I was walking on the ramp, yes, I was definitely hoping, because I have really put in effort. So I really was hoping that I would win.
What would you say about this entire initiative? Something absolutely different, absolutely out of the box,
I would I would like to appreciate Saffron's India and Mr. Vijay Kalose, because they have given a platform to married women like me to come forward and to showcase our talent and our beauty, and whatever we have, we can show and we can come forward. And I'm really thankful to Saffron's India platform for this. Thank you.
That's what, I just want to say that there can be beauty with brains also. Always, it's not that, that you are a principal, you can't be a beauty pageant. So, yes, and I'm really excited and thankful to Vijay sir and all the team, Vishal sir and the photographer and Zenobia ma'am and everyone, We've put in efforts and we really had an awesome time. Whatever winning, losing, it's not important, but I was sure that I would definitely get some titles. I never thought that, because everyone has different talents and we cannot underestimate anyone. So I'm very happy to be here right now, and I did not think that I will win, but yes, I am here.
What's your future plan? Planning to be a part of Bollywood?
Yeah, I am already planning to be part of Bollywood, and now I've got a better platform, I think, and a better way to go there.
Any projects you're doing in Bollywood?
Not right now, but I have done a pageant before, and now I'll try.
Thank you so much. Thank you. In the award,
Yeah.
what do you want to say regarding that? How was the excitement?
I was not even sure about this crown, but I'm so happy that I got it, and whatever I did for this, so I'm so damn happy for this. That's it. I have no words to say.
What is your further planning?
Further planning is, I am so much passionate about my modeling. So this journey gave me this path, like how to go. So I'll start with my passion very passionately now. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि ऑफ कोर्स हम लोगों के लिए घर मैनेज करते करते, घर, ऑफिस, बच्चे, पति, ये सारी दुनिया मैनेज करते करते, ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. और हमारे लिए मतलब यहाँ पर जितने लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, उन सभी के लिए बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है. थैंक यू.
ओके, डू यू थॉट व्हाइल पार्टिसिपेटिंग कि जीत भी जाएंगे और एक हिस्सा भी बन जाएंगे? क्या आपने सोचा था जिस वक्त आप रैंप वॉक कर रहे थे? और सबसे ज़्यादा हौसला अफजाई है किसने सपोर्ट किया?
सपोर्ट फैमिली ने की है, फ्रेंड्स ने की है, ऑफ कोर्स हमारे मेंटर ने की है, ऑफ कोर्स सभी ने किया है। और रही बात जीतने और हारने की, तो मैं कहूँगी कि यहाँ इस मंच पे खड़े रहना ही अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है, तो हमारे लिए यही बहुत बड़ी बात है।
Thank you so much. I'm feeling so great and happy today, and I'm very thankful to my family for their support, especially my husband and my cute children and my mom, dad. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vijay ji and Ba. It was a lovely moment to be over here. And I must say that a 50+ lady given this opportunity is really marvelous. Thank you so much.
I'm truly delighted to be here at first, and of course, I want to thank the media first, because friends of the media, give us what we want the event to be. Thank you very much, Saffron. Thank you very much, Vijay, for having me here. It truly was a pleasure. One thing I am going to definitely talk about is that, the jury and the results were absolutely fair. Most of the places we always have, being an anchor and being a jury at most of the beauty contests, it always happens that, you just don't understand there are people who are known and, known people as the jury. They're absolutely biased sometimes, but nothing like this happened here, and I was truly, truly happy because none of them knew what's really coming up next. I was the only one who knew the itinerary, that we have, a judge's question and answer round at the same time, post which the final round is going to be one single question. And that was a wonderful question altogether. It was absolutely fair. And that is the essence of having a beauty pageant, to make the winner feel like a queen, to make the winner feel like a princess. I'm truly honored, and I've seen maximum doctors in this beauty pageant, which talks about the pageantry that, yes, Vijay, you truly rock. This is the first city. इसके बाद हम जा रहे हैं another 10 cities. Yes, we're covering 11 states all across India. जिसके बाद होगा grand finale, Saffron, Queen and Princess 2017. So I'm truly honored to be a part of this. Thank you very much. Thank you.
बहुत सालों की तमन्ना मेरी पूरी हो गई, and I'm very happy that after almost 7.5 years मैं ये शो कर रहा हूँ, और दिल से मैं चाहता हूँ दिल से ये शो मेरे जैसा सोचा था वैसे हुआ। एंड आई थैंक ऑल माय कंटेस्टेंट्स, जो जीते और जो नहीं भी जीते, उन्हें जो सहयोग दिया वो वाज अमेजिंग अमेजिंग अमेजिंग, और बहुत मतलब जो सोचा नहीं था उतना मुझे सपोर्ट मिला। एंड आई पर्सनली थैंक ज़ेनोबिया मैम फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी इन ऑल वे। मैं ही नहीं, इवन कंटेस्टेंट भी बोलेंगे कि हर सपोर्ट वाज, शी वाज अ पिलर ऑफ द शो।
Thank you, Zenobia.
Please let us know where you're moving ahead. We heard you're moving to
एक्चुअली ये शो जो कर रहे हैं, आई एम डूइंग दिस शो इन 11 स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया। जो पहला शो हुआ मेरा मुंबई में, महाराष्ट्र में, मुंबई में हुआ। अभी दूसरा शो गुजरात में होने जा रहा है और अहमदाबाद में। ऐसे एवरी 15 डेज के गैप में मैं शो कर रहा हूँ, और 11 राज्यों में शो होगा, जैसे महाराष्ट्र है, गुजरात है, चंडीगढ़, दिल्ली, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, गुजरात, गोवा, हैदराबाद, बैंगलोर और चेन्नई, और उसका फिनाले मुंबई में होगा।
Okay, do you have some plan for finale? Are we getting some Bollywood celebrity actor or actress?
सर मुझे ये शो मुंबई से शुरू करना था, जबकि मेरे पास बॉलीवुड के सपोर्ट है और आप लोग हो, लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ कि विदाउट सपोर्ट आई वांटेड टू डू दिस शो, बट श्योरली इन ग्रैंड फिनाले यू विल फाइंड मैक्सिमम बॉलीवुड क्राउड ओवर हियर।
Do you want somebody from Bollywood to judge the show?
Of course, yes. We have already आज भी थे, और surely in future we'll be having good judges. खाली Bollywood ही नहीं है, मैं I would like to have different people from different what do you call that fields, like sportsman हो, politician नहीं चाहता हूँ मैं, लेकिन yes, photographer, everybody who is related to this contest.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.